Howdy everyone, my name is Stephanie Livingston and you're joining me live today from Houston, Texas. The weather's about 109 degrees today and it's pretty hot. So I'm glad to be inside today here with you, filming a class about operational insights that we are going to be able to glean from the profit and loss statement. The numbers from the top to the middle to the bottom, they're all important and they all tell us something very valuable. And so if you are a person who normally just looks right at the bottom line, I'm going to teach you how to glean more operational insights from the top and not the bottom. And that's called ops margin. So tips and tricks for ops margin is what we're here to learn about today. And this production is filmed in cooperation with Rhine River Productions and Global CPE. Thanks very much. I hope you enjoy.